Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the port and cable capabilities so you avoid damage and mismatched performance. Inspect the PC's USB-C marking, check if it supports power delivery, data, or video. Once done, read the cable or adapter label to match speeds. USB 2.0 will differ from Thunderbolt 3 or 4. Make sure to remove dust with compressed air and power off the PC only if the manual suggests it. This prevents shorting and ensures a clean connection before proceeding. You now connect the cable and configure the device for intended use. Insert the USB-C plug. Its reversible design means orientation doesn't matter, but align with any symbol on the port. Once connected, watch for system prompts, install drivers if Windows requests them, and open Device Manager to verify the device is recognized. If attaching a monitor, select the output mode and set resolution and refresh rate in display settings. Make sure power delivery is active if charging is expected. Otherwise, you finish by validating everything works as intended and take one systematic troubleshooting step if it does not. Test file transfers, watch for charging LED or system battery icon, and confirm video shows on the external display. If something fails, swap to a known good cable, try another USB-C port, and reboot the PC. Make sure Device Manager has no error codes, update drivers or firmware via the vendor utility. If problems persist, note the exact symptom and power specs before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.